Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. This is day 4. Good morning from Ananthapur. We just came to this room at midnight. I hope so. You have seen that previous vlog. And we just packed everything over here. And we got ready for Bangalore. And we are going for Lepakshi and Nandi Hills. I will see you there. Everything got ready and we are going for bikes. See you there. Yeah, check out. Fine, thank you.
A few moments later.
We were just exploring this Ananthapur and we came to find this temple that is called Iskan Temple, which is located nearby city. And I'm just going to enter it. I'll show you. Guys, this is massively big, guys. Seriously. Guys, it's massively big, guys. Hope so you can watch them. Seriously. This is Iskan Temple and some god is over there. I don't know his name. Seriously. Massively big. You can see the 4 horses. And this is completely like a you can say Radham. Yes, it's a Radham. And see, I'll show you. This is completely Radham. It's completely designed, perfect design they made. And here it is. So you can see this completely enough. It's completely a big one. Superb, massive, guys. Seriously.
Later.
We were just traveling and meanwhile we got this Kia manufacturing plant. It's crazy big, guys, seriously. 536 acres of plant for all over India. Kia manufacturing plant. Crazy thing, guys. Very big. 536 acres. And they manufacture 3 lakh cars per annum. Just crazy thing, guys, seriously. This is the biggest plant all over India of Kia manufacturing. Damn man, there are many cars, man. Seriously, holy shit! What a super parking. Damn man, crazy parking, guys. Damn man, just unbelievable. This many Kia cars. Holy shit! Up to there. We were entered to this Nandi Hills. Meanwhile, we got this superb mountain view. I'll show you.
A few inches later.
We are here at this Lepakshi temple and we are running fast because it closed at 6 p.m. it seems. It's already 5:50 and we are running in. We just got in. We are running in. Yeah. Just got in. Lepakshi temple. Oh man, completely a stone crowd. We're walking. Touched it. Come on, man. This is fully a big stone.
Seriously? Nothing.
Damn man, look at this. It's a completely stone. It's a very big one. Single stone. Completely carved. Superb, seriously. Walking on this is too hard. Still we have to walk. This we got this. Simply superb, guys. Seriously. Yeah. This was awesome. Yeah, this was simply awesome, guys. Seriously. It's crazy. It's a very big thing. Yeah, man. How much of this? Yeah. This poor guy, seriously. Watch out that tree. Yeah, man, it's completely crazy. Superb. Yeah. This is. Yeah, man, simply superb. Left only 5 more minutes. Yeah, this was in 13th century. Damn, man, feeling cool. Shit. The god inside is Venkateshwar Swami. Coming. Superb, guys. Check out this carving. Check out this deep carving, guys. Seriously. Awesome. 13th century. These carvings and all. How come they made? These carvings, huh? Simply superb. Damn, man, this huge rock. Shit. This temple was simply awesome. Holy shit. It's awesome and amazing, guys. Seriously. Check out that. How did they carve, man? Seriously. In 13th century. Oh, yeah. Completely big stone they carved. Yeah, man. Detailed, complete detail carving. Check out this detail carving, man. Very detailed, very detailed. Seriously, simply super. Seriously, super detailed carving. I don't know how did they made all this, but check out this. What a detail, man. What a detail. Seriously, 13th century. Simply superb. And we got this Shivlingam over here. Oh, man. This is the best temple I have ever visited. Lepakshi. Seriously, Lemon. Seriously. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Got the detail, man. Complete detail. This was insane, man. From 13th century to till 21st century, they are still standing as good as enough. Seriously, awesome.
I'll take that you have the tree.
Yeah, sure. Come on, man, watch out this tree. I guess it's dead or what? Still, it was good. I don't know from when it was growing here, but it was awesome. At last we are done with this Lepakshi temple. Simply awesome temple, guys. Seriously, this is the best temple I ever visited. What a detailed carving, man. Seriously, superb, complete, very detailed carving, man. I don't know how did they made in 13th century, but still it was standing like as good enough. Simply superb, guys. Seriously, just loved it.
Enclosures there are the entrance of first.
This is dated as Saka 1455 in 1533 AD. Oh man.
2 hours later.
Yeah, we just across this big pallet toll plaza near Karnataka. Another time is around 7:35, I guess. Yeah, it's 7:35. In an hour we'll be over there. We have to check only in tomorrow morning, I guess. Stay tuned. More is coming soon. We will enjoy.